on smoking. Today we, the students of 8th standard, are going to tell you the answer by sharing our views on how sitting is 21st century health hazard. Firstly, I start with the introduction. Over the past decades, the media coverage of sitting has been widespread. The health consequences of sitting has been often compared with those of smoking. A recent analysis of news articles found almost 300 articles claiming that sitting is a new smoking. Here we provide brief perspective on recent findings of relationship of sitting with health outcomes. Some sources have even suggested that smoking is safer than sitting. People who sit for more than 8 hours a day on end develop chronic diseases like diabetes, dementia, heart disease, and several types of cancer at much higher rates than people who move out throughout the day. According to studies, people who sit for more than 8 hours a day have risk of dying similar to as people who are forced by.
Let's discuss more about the causes of sitting and smoking. We listen everybody saying rest is rust. Let us know the reason behind this. Smoking leads to diseases and disability and harms nearly every organ of the body. More than 16 million Americans living with the disease is caused by smoking, and according to Global Adult Tobacco Survey of India, nearly 267 million of all Indian adults are the users of tobacco. India is also the second largest consumer and producer of tobacco, and this is extremely bad thing. Sitting is as effective as smoking. Moving your muscles helps your body to digest, but if you spend a large time on sitting, digestion is not that efficient, so you retain those fats and acids in your body. Even if you exercise but spend a large time on sitting, you are still risking your health. You need 60 to 70 minutes per day of moderate intensity activity to combat the danger of excessive sitting.
Now, I am here to share about the diseases which are caused by sitting and smoking. While sitting and smoking, they both have their negative effects on our health. It is impossible to compare them. Difference between sitting and smoking is that the society has outcast one of them completely expanded upon the other. Too much sitting is also bad for our mental health. The body has all kinds of negative reactions. Our body says, in addition to decreasing the blood flow to the legs, sitting impacts things like sugar regulation and blood pressure by altering the normal functions of the blood vessels. It feeds into diabetes and heart attacks. More time spent on sitting was linked to the thinnings of the brain medial temporal lobe.
Start.
Now I am going to share the concluding of topic by telling sitting is a hazard to our health. Sitting or lying down for too long increases your risk of chronic health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Too much sitting can also be bad for your mental health. Being active is not as hard as you think, so suggestions to improve your posture include exercise and stretching. Other research has linked prolonged sitting or other sedentary behavior to weight gain, dementia, and depression, and so on. The risk of both depression and anxiety are higher in people who sit the most. There are a few good reasons why we should consider standing more than sitting. Because of lower blood sugar levels, lower risk of heart disease, and less stress than people who sit for 8 hours or more each day. Standing as little as 30 minutes a day can lower your risk of death from cardiovascular disease, and also sitting puts more pressure on your lower back. There are many tips to reduce sitting time, such as avoid long periods sat in front of TV or computer, stand up and move while using the phone, stand up and walk while TV at breaks, use the stairs as much as possible. The tips are so much, but if we will apply any of them, it will be very beneficial for us and for our health. Thank you.